I don't know. I gotta think of a better intro. Gotta edit this on the computer instead of just putting this up. So, damn. What's that? Don't know who that is. But I gotta think of a better intro for this video, like my vlogs. And I tried to do V-Dogs vlogs, but the stupid thingy, Google Plus, it wouldn't let me. It said name is invalid. Whatever that means. But it wouldn't let me do it. I tried to do V-Dogs vlogs. That sounds so much better. Which, I don't know if you would watch these. And for some reason, I can't enable my comments, which is really making me mad. I can't have a good name, and I can't enable my contacts. See that finger? That's not what I was doing. But comments. Did I say contacts? Comments, whatever. That's the thing. But I don't think anyone would watch a 12-year-old doing a vlog anyway. You know, it'd kind of be kind of boring. Maybe. I don't know. What do you think? Just put in the comments. Oh, wait. Can't use the comments. What type is that? Who's that? I think it's my brother. So, see you later. No, just kidding. I'll come back. Okay, I'm back. What? Okay. So, what am I gonna do? Hold on. Please. Okay. Now, I don't even know what to put on the vlog today. Because I've only done like one vlog. And it's stupid. It's only like 6 minutes long though. Usually vlogs are supposed to be long. No, I'm not doing it. What the fuck? Yes, I want a kid. What? Me? I have no idea. But I'm going upstairs, stairs. I'm going upstairs, stairs. I'm going upstairs, stairs. So, what was I gonna say? Oh, and news about the Minecraft update. Okay, so there's a new update coming out for Minecraft. It's really cool. 0.9.0 for Minecraft Pocket Edition. And it's coming out tomorrow, July 10th. And it's really cool. It has so many infinite worlds, switch to creative survival. I don't think there's going to be tons of new blocks. It's amazing. It's amazing. Emeralds, villages. It's amazing. It's amazing. Why do I keep looking at the screen? See? I should look at this. So, yeah. So, I'm going to go back to July 10th, which is tomorrow. So, yeah. July 10th. Now. Yeah, July 10th. Because Apple has already accepted, they just haven't put it up on the App Store yet. I don't know why. So, Minecraft Maker said it'd be up on July 10th. So, yeah. End of the video. Come to the end of the video. Peace out. And I forgot one thing. Stay safe.